right, so first thing is, this is the next form we're looking at, so the question probably is, well, what in the world is standard form? Okay, and standard form is a new form where it's ax plus by equals c. Okay, and we are going to replace a, b, and c, and we're going to leave the x and y there. Okay, so some parameters around standard form. Okay, a, b, and c have to be integers. What are integers?
Numbers that you don't know yet.
Positive and negative whole numbers. Okay, so good news, we're not going to be dealing with fractions in standard form. Okay, both a and b cannot be 0 for it to be an official standard form. You've got to have stuff in for a, b, and c. Something funky about standard form is the a, it always needs to be positive. Okay, so this first term here is always going to be positive. And again, no fractions or decimals, which goes along with the whole idea of integers. Okay, so those are all the things for standard form. All right, so let's look at how we convert. We're going to start off kind of easy, and we're going to convert slope-intercept into standard form and see what it looks like. All right, so write the following equations in standard form. Okay, so basically we want x and y on a side together, and we want the number on the other side. So we're going to pull over, on this first one, we have y equals negative 5x plus 8. And we want to pull this negative 5 over. So I'm going to have to add 5x to both sides. So now I get 5x plus y equals 8. And then I want to check to make sure that it has all those things standard form said I needed to have. So if I look back on this last slide and say, okay, what were all the things I needed to have? Are a, b, and c integers? Yes, they're all integers. What's the integer in front of this y? 1. Okay. Are both a and b cannot be 0? They're not. Is a positive? Yes. There's no fractions, no decimals, so I'm done. And that is it. I just changed it into standard form. It's there. No, and we're going to start off kind of easy to make sure that it doesn't feel too bad at first. All right, so let's look at 2. What do I need to do there? Add 2x to both sides. Good. So now this is canceled out, and I have 2x plus y equals negative 5. And so if I look back, are a, b, and c all integers? Yes. Is this first term positive? Yes. It's good. It's in standard form. All right, now this next one's tricky because what form is it in? It's in point-slope form, okay? So with point-slope form, I'm going to have to get the x over here. So I would suggest distributing your 3 and then moving it over. Okay, so I'm going to distribute